Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and in this guide I'm going to show you how you can allow and give permissions to other users in order to manage or be an owner of your business in Google Business. Okay, so first of all, in order to be able to add more users and give permissions to other users in your Google Business account, you have to log into your Gmail that is managing and is the owner of your Google Business page. And after that, you can search on Google your business name, specifically how it's written and saved in your Google Business, or just go to business.google.com and then you will see that businesses that you're managing in Google. And after you've done that, and then you can click on the three dots right here and click on business page settings. This will open a pop-up that you can see that the first option is users and access permissions. You can add, edit, or remove user access permission. Just click on that. And here you can see that you can add other Gmails like yours to be the main owner or just managing the business. Click on addition, and here you can add the users by name, email address, or group. Just give the access that you want, a management access or just an ownership access. The difference is that if you choose ownership, you can give the permission to edit, add users, and also transfer ownership of the business profile in Google. But if you give only the management permission, you can make only changes in the Google page. So just choose your access and give the email address the permission. Send the invitation and he will have to approve it in the email that he receives. So if you don't approve it, he won't have any access. Of course, he chooses to do it. If it's your employee or a customer, then just tell him that he has an invitation and he has to approve it in order to be able to get access to the business profile in Google Business. And this is how you do it. As you saw, it's very easy to allow and give permissions to other users in Google Business. If you have any more questions, you can write down on the comments below when I will comment. And on the first comment, put the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment, and share. And good luck.